Hello guys, welcome to Macrich Family YouTube channel. Hello Macrich. We are here at the Batangas Beach, Philippines, here in Lobo. This place was so beautiful. We will celebrate here on this beautiful beach a birthday celebration for Kuya Ricky, and also a summer beach outing with the family. Here is the view, which is so beautiful and solemn. In the morning, we arrived here at 8 a.m.
Abot. Laang di abot.
Hello, Macrich. Macrich is there in the beach. She is so happy with her cousins. Ate Jean is there too, and Ninang Shirley and other family. The beach was so nice and beautiful sand. Have a beautiful surroundings here. There's also a swimming pool out there, but the family want to be in the beach to swim, most likely. The kids are so happy, and Macrich is enjoying in the sand and the water. Daddy Marcelo is not here, so hello. They are waving. But we are so happy if Daddy Marcelo is here too. So good to be here. And a summer outing, because after this is school time again. There's a lot of many people now, because maybe the time now market swimming is 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the morning. Others cousin do also a banana float or riding in a banana. Nice view out here. I hope we come back also with Daddy again next time. Again, happy birthday to his brother that we also celebrating and giving us a chance to be here on this beautiful beach in the Philippines, Batangas. This is our family. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe, like, and comments. God bless us all.